that we need to work on.
Now, let's head the Speedway. American streamer IShowSpeed Africa's tour is getting a global reaction, with some expressing shock of how little or misinformed they know about the continent of Africa. We look at how this stream might be reframing Africa's image to the world. When IShowSpeed landed on the continent of Africa, starting with South Africa, here in Kenya, we were warming up to receive him in the best way we know, humor.
IshowSpeed ameniambia niandike majina ya kila mtu mwenye anataka kumuona. Sasa kama unataka kumuona, wewe nitumie tu so 4 na jina zako za M-Pesa yenye umetuma nayo pesa. Ni mbaya. Nakwambia ni mbaya, washasema. So kama unataka kuona IshowSpeed, speedisha jo list jo wewe. Masaa yako ndio itakuwa. Geza.
But deep down, as he traversed the continent in real time, a discussion has emerged of how his streams are revealing how little some people know of Africa, especially from America.
Before Speed stream, like, I viewed Africa and like the way Africa like looks and all this, like it was very like wrong. I didn't fully understand it. I've been watching Speed stream. I would go to Africa. Like, it literally looks beautiful.
IshowSpeed is showing to us in real time what real Africa looks like, and people are in shock.
Because some of y'all I genuinely like worry about. Because even when people were like, oh, but you know, the American propaganda makes you think that Africa is just like nothing and extremely all this. Guys, can you do a little bit of research and maybe just like a little bit of logical thinking? Like, do you really think an entire continent would just be sticks and mud and tribal people?
Comedian Trevor Noah has spoken about this in one of his specials.
Everyone has these images of Africa, and it's not your fault as Americans. I understand that as Americans, like, you don't know much about South Africa. I've realized this in my time here. You don't know much about Africa as a whole, which is, you guys don't know much about anything, but that's not your fault. It's just you guys are so big and America-centric, you know? And you don't get outside images. You don't see anything.
America tries so hard to make it look like Africans are out there stopping cars with their feet. That's not the case. Every time I saw Africa growing up as a kid, it was on Feed the Children. Ooh, for 70 cents you could feed a child, and they showed nothing but starving people.
This has hit even closer with the Black American community.
And Speed is single-handedly changing my perspective on life. Like the music in Africa, the culture, everything, every single aspect of Africa just makes my insides feel so good, bro.
It's such an amazing feeling to see Speed be received so well on the continent of Africa, wherever he goes. Kenya showed out. They showed out like, oh my God, for the eyes to see. And let me say this. Here, they will never tell you about Mansa Musa, a black king. They will never tell you those stories about Mansa Musa being the most wealthiest man of all wealth. They will never tell you. They don't want you to know about Shaka Zulu. They do not want you to know about these black men that have power and wealth.
And to Black Americans, Africans love you. They will welcome you home. This division between us, manufactured by the powers that be.
Fun as the IshowSpeed streams are across the continent of Africa, on the other side of the screen, the world is getting exposed to what is often not shown on the continent, shifting a perspective at a time. Our farmers are being urged to cut down water-hungry eucalyptus trees.